So it's here in anaphase 2, or anaphase 1, sorry, in anaphase 1 where you separate homologous chromosomes, right? This is where the reduction in ploidy occurs, okay? And here's why. I'm going to show you guys why. I realize a lot of people don't necessarily understand this. So here we have unduplicated chromosomes, right? We'll say this one carries the big A allele, and this one carries the little A allele, right? Then they go and they duplicate, right? So these are homologous chromosomes, right? So we'll say this is chrome 1, or whatever you're using, right? And then over here, right? So these are homologous chromosomes, right? So once these separate, you've lost half your genetic information, right? Because the only information that's on this one is an identical copy of the same allele, right? So it's once these homologous chromosomes separate, you've lost the other half of your genetic content, right? Your other little A allele, it's gone. It's in a different cell. You are now an N. So in anaphase, I was willing to accept that. Some people put that you were an N right here. I was willing to accept that. Some people still said 2N, and they still did 4 and 8. I also, or what is the best thing to do, is say that you're 2N going to an N, that you are 4 chromosomes going to 2 chromosomes, and that you are 8 chromosomes going to 4. Should you see something like this on the test, there's no way they can take points off that answer, right? No way. So, where things get tricky, for a lot of you, is this anaphase 2, right? So, like I said, once you go through anaphase 1, you're haploid, that's it, you're an N, okay? And so, once you get to telophase, you're already an N, and then you can count them, 1, 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, so 2 chromosomes, 4 chromatids, right? Prophase 2, still the same thing, still N, still 2, still 4. Metaphase, same thing, still N, still 2, still 4. Where it gets tricky is anaphase 2, right? Because once those sister chromatids come apart, there are full-fledged chromosomes. There are no chromatids. So you're N4, right? So you have a transient doubling of chromosome number. Suddenly you have more chromosomes than you had previously, right? So N4, but no chromatids, right? Once you separate these into 2 cells, you go back to your haploid number. You're now N, you're now 2, and you are no chromatids, okay? Right? And then, so because I thought it would help, here is the figure that they give in your book, right?